In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view form submissions in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Find the form whose submissions you want to review and select it by checking the box next to its name. With the form selected, click the Submissions button at the top of the page. Jotform will open your submissions in Jotform tables where all responses are displayed in a spreadsheet style layout. Each row represents a form submission while each column corresponds to a field in your form. To view the complete details of a submission, click on any row. You can also use the search, filter, and sort options to quickly find specific responses. If you need to organize your data further, you can add additional columns or notes directly in Jotform tables by clicking the plus add button. That's how to view form submissions in Jotform. Thanks for watching.